Hi, my name is Jeff, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Kinetic Power System before actually buying the program. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about the Kinetic Power System is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is the Kinetic Power System and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. With this guide, you can create your own flywheel generator. This is a fully self-sufficient energy generator gadget that works for a long time using only a few parts, such as plywood, gears, and a bicycle chain. You can find most of these things in any junkyard. According to the creator of the Kinetic Power System, this technology is not even new. It was just forgotten over time. However, it was used in Europe during the 1950s and used to power up machines during the Industrial Revolution many years ago. The secret of this device is that it's very potent in creating energy that derives from motion. Essentially, your generator will create huge amounts of kinetic energy, which can be stored and then used in several different activities. This way, you won't be depending 100% on external energy sources to light up your home. While some people won't be able to power up a whole house with a single generator, they can still save a lot of money this way. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with the Kinetic Power System, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test the Kinetic Power System for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy the Kinetic Power System, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that the Kinetic Power System helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this program promotes.